Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete any file on your computer or even on a flash drive, external hard drive. Maybe you're looking to get rid of a hard drive and you just want to make sure that there's nothing on it before you get rid of it, or maybe you have confidential or personal information on your computer that you don't want anybody else knowing about. I'm going to show you how to get rid of those files completely without ever having to worry about anyone finding or seeing them. So what you want to do is you want to download this free scan tool at this website. It's called totalprivacy.net, and that link is also directly under this video. If you click on it, it'll bring you to this page. All you want to do, if you want to read over more information here, you can about how it works and everything and what all it does. But you want to click the free download button. That's at totalprivacy.net. Once you do that, you want to install the software. Once you install it and bring it up, you're going to see a tool that looks like this here. Now, right off, you can start your scan and it'll automatically show you all these files on your computer that could be exposed or that anybody else could view or see. Or what I recommend is that you first go up here to the options button on the left side, click it. And from here, you can also see everything that it will clean out for you permanently. And as you can see here, there are many things that it can get rid of. Pretty much anything on your computer where files may hide, it can find them. And so right here, you can see the Windows cache and history. You can click the plus buttons and it'll take you deeper and deeper and show you everything clear down to places on your computer that maybe you never knew existed that stores these files. And once you do that, let's go down here and look at a few of these more. The internet browsing history, it'll automatically detect the browsers you have on your computer, and it'll totally wipe out any history, any viewing, browsing. Cookies, you can read information here that talks more about it. Websites that you visited, chat and instant messaging history. You can see the options it has here. It goes down to even Microsoft Office and multimedia history. This is interesting because it'll find any video players that you have on your computer, any type of media devices, and wipe the history on those, as well as file sharing, peer-to-peer file sharing sites, activity logs. It'll wipe those. And if you have Outlook, it will also go through and it will wipe those. You'll see it does have several options for that. And lastly, third-party application history. This includes, it says here, the history of recently opened files, temporary items, search indexes, log files, and more. And this includes a lot of those tools that you don't think of. Maybe you have toolbars on your browser that you search from and stores history information. You can see here you can select those if you have these installed, which will automatically delete all those search histories, internet download manager history, anything that you have on your computer like that, it's going to find and it's going to automatically get rid of. Now, in the options setting, what you want to do, if you want to make sure that these files are never found, under the options, you want to get down here where it says when removing, and it gives you an option that right now says delete files without overwriting, but you can change that to say overwrite once, 3 times, or 7 times. Basically what that means is once it deletes it, it's going to overwrite that file either again or 3 times or 7 times to make sure that it cannot be recovered. Now, obviously, if you overwrite it once, it's going to be difficult to recover it, but if you overwrite it 3 times or even 7 times, the file is pretty much totally and utterly destroyed and you're not going to be able to get it back. This does take longer to do it this way, but you can rest assured that your files will not be recovered by anyone. Now, over here, you can also schedule it by going down here and clicking new to periodically go out and clean all that history out. And if there's only just a few files you want to delete, or even if you want to permanently delete everything in your recycle bin, you can do it from the advanced shred button here. You can see here it asks you for that level if you want the 1 overwrite, the 3 overwrite, or 7. And if you click add, you can manually add files to this section one by one if you prefer, or you can just add everything from your recycle bin into here, click shred, and it's going to go through and totally wipe out all these files. Now, with this tool, what you do when you download it from totalprivacy.net is you're downloading this tool, which is a free scanner which reveals to you all those files on your computer that can be viewed or exposed by anyone else. Now, once it shows you these files and you want to completely get rid of them, they will take you to a page where you register, and the software does cost, I believe it's $29.95, and periodically they do offer a $10 off discount. So if that is there, I do recommend you grab that. and you can download it. They'll give you a license code. You simply put it in the software, and you'll be ready to go to from here on out to just keep your computer clean and free from any kind of privacy or security risks, or from anybody else being able to see anything that you do on your computer. So like I said, you can get this software tool here at totalprivacy.net, and that link is under the video.